Namaskar, welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In today's headlines, around 300 villagers benefit from the multidisciplinary health camp organized by Rourkela Steel Plant in Bisra block. Major overhead electrification for railway tracks project under progress at SAIL RSP. And long service awards presented at Ispat General Hospital of SAIL RSP. And now the news in detail. A multidisciplinary health camp was organized by Rourkela Steel Plant at Manko Panchayat office in Bisra block on 27 February. The camp was organized by the Corporate Social Responsibility, that is the CSR department, in association with Medical and Health Services Department of RSP. Ms. Munmun Mitra, DGM, and others officers of CSR department visited the camp and interacted with the villagers. Doctors of RSP, namely Dr. N.K. Sahu, Pediatric, Dr. Somali Kongari, Medicine, Dr. Raj Lakshmi, ONG, Dr. Anindita Debata, Ophthalmology, and Dr. M.K. Pradhan, Surgery, examined the patients. Mr. Lingaraj Pradhan, CPSK Dispensary, Mr. Mihit Mohanty, CPSK Dispensary, Ms. Meneka Burman, HA Ophthalmology, Mr. C.S. Bahi Ramwar, CSR Coordinator, and Mr. D.K. Das, CSR Coordinator, assisted. The doctors helped in medicine distribution and other supporting activities. Around 300 patients were examined in the camp and provided free medicines and consultation. Besides, 60 patients were identified for further treatment at Ispat General Hospital under various CSR schemes, namely Project Sunaina for free eye surgery, Project Sushruti for medical intervention of people with hearing ailments, Project Charak for provision of free surgical interventions, Project Surabhi for treatment of gynecological disorders, Project Sneha for leprosy patients, Project Akshay for treatment of TB patients, and Project Swabalamban for children with cleft lip and palate disorder, clawfoot, hearing ailment, and vision impairment. It is worth mentioning here that the medical camps being organized by RSP in periphery villages not only reach out to the people living in remote villages but also extend costly surgical interventions for free at IGH to the identified people suffering from grave ailments. The project work of a major overhead electrification project, that is the OEP, for railway tracks traffic movements is fast progressing at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. The 25 kV overhead electrification project being carried out with the combined effort of projects and power distribution departments of RSP, officials of Southeast Railway and TPWODL rights will help the company in reducing demurrage charges substantially. It is worth mentioning here that overhead electrification for railway tracks of RSP was undertaken as a part of rail infrastructure project catering to modernization and expansion project of RSP. Messrs. Rights Limited has been engaged as the project management consultant for this work. The proposed electrification is covering the railway tracks of the Marshalling Yard, RMHP Yard, and New Coal Complex Yard also. The OHE sidings of RSP is connected to Bandamunda Exchange, that is the BNDM Exchange Yard, electrified section under South Eastern Railway. This OHE work is being executed by Messrs. Chemical Electric Company under Projects Department in coordination with Southeast Railway. In the first phase, OHE, that is the overhead electrification works for track hopper 1, 2 and 3 route of OBBP from Bandamunda Exchange Yard and Marshalling Yard railway tracks connecting BNDM has been completed. 25 kV power for commissioning of OHE was provided through subsectioning post at J Cabin, Bandamunda Exchange Yard of Indian Railways. Necessary support for OHE works executed on the railway tracks in operating condition has been extended by Traffic and Raw Materials Department. After completion of OHE work, electrified locomotives of Indian Railways are operating in this section under EOL, that is the Engine on Load scheme. OHE works of NCCY had also been completed and the section is expected to be energized shortly. After electrification, the pilot exchange between railway and RSP, which is being done presently at BNDM, will be shifted inside RSP. Hence, RSP has taken up the overhead electrification job on a priority basis to facilitate smoother engine movements. A 132 by 25 kV traction substation with two 21.6 by 30.2 MVA transformers and associated equipment have been installed inside RSP. This will supply power at 25 kV level to OHE network inside RSP and Bondamunda Yard of Railways. Incoming power at 132 kV level is fed from existing MSDS-6 of RSP. For this, two bays have been constructed inside MSDS-6 to draw power at 132 kV level. In a program organized on 2nd March 2021, the incoming power at 132 kV to TSS from MSDS-6 was switched on. This activity was completed successfully with participation of Power Distribution Project RITES, Southeast Railway and TPWODL, erstwhile Vesco, Mr. S.K. Behra, CGM in charge projects, Mr. M.K. Mohanty, CGM Electrical and other senior officials of projects, power distribution officials of Southeast Railway and TPWODL RITES were present during this momentous occasion. In a program organized at the Ispat General Hospital of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant on 26 February, Dr. N.P. Sahu, Chief Medical Officer, presented the long service certificates to 34 employees for rendering 25 years of service in the company. The program was coordinated by Mr. Satyananda Biswal, Senior Manager, Personnel. It may be mentioned that around 900 employees, including executives who have completed 25 years of service as on 31st December 2020, will be receiving long service awards like previous years. The company recognizes their contribution by presenting a certificate of recognition and a stainless steel dinner set as token of gift of appreciation. And that's all for today. Namaskar.